Assalamu alaikum, my dear students and viewers। जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि जो ऑनलाइन क्लासेस का सिलसिला है ये हम जारी रखते हुए आज हम 10th क्लास के इंग्लिश सब्जेक्ट का एक और लेसन पढ़ने जा रहे हैं। द नेम ऑफ द लेसन इज बोली, विच इज अ शॉर्ट स्टोरी। वी हैव रेड a short story before it, that is necklace, that was in the context of French society. So far as this Boli is concerned, the writer of this story is Khwaja Ahmad Abbas. Khwaja Ahmad Abbas was born in 1914 and died in 1987. He was born in Punjab in India. So we can say that this short story is in the context of the Indian society. He was a well-known film director, a novelist, screenwriter, and a journalist in Urdu and English languages. He had made certain Hindi films like सात हिंदुस्तानी, शहर और सपना। He was awarded the Padma Shri in 1969, and his autobiography, I Am Not an Island, an experiment in autobiography, was published in 1977. Now, so far as the Boli is concerned, what is the Boli? This is a Hindi word which means innocent, simple. Boli is a Hindi word, it means innocent and simple. This Boli is a very sensitive story with a dramatic end by Khwaja Ahmad Abbas. The character not just symbolizes the simplicity but innocence. This is not showing the this simplicity only, but the innocence too. She symbolizes courage. From very childhood, Boli was neglected at home. Being a handicapped child, or a simple or an innocent child, she was neglected at her home. Her parents are much worried about her marriage because she has pock marks all over her face, because she was attacked by a disease, that is pock marks. Pock marks जिसे चीचक कहते हैं, वो इस बीमारी की शिकार हुई थी. They think nobody will marry her. They think that there are little chances for her marriage. And her parents send her to school because they feel there is little chance of her getting married. What role does the teacher play in her life? Does she come up to the expectations? Let us find it from the story. So this story is about a girl. Her name is Boli, and she was a handicapped child because she was attacked by a disease, that is pock marks. So her parents thought that he had little chances to get married. So they tried to send her to school so that the teachers will find the solution for him. No, we will see whether the teachers solved her problem or not. And in this very lesson, there are we can say there are certain themes in this very lesson, in this very short story, that how the handicapped children are treated in their homes, how the parents are taking care of these handicapped children. And there is one more, we can say, the gender bias, how the boys are treating at the home and how the girls are treating at the home. Now you will open your book at page number 125. This is 125, Boli by Khwaja Ahmad Abbas. Now let us start the text. Her name was Solika, but since her childhood everyone had been calling her Boli, the simpleton. her name, the original name, the real name of Boli was Solika. Real name was Solika. Her real name was Solika. But he was called there the Boli. Everyone called her Boli because she was very simple and she was very innocent. Simpleton here means, here's the word simpleton, S-I-M-T-O-N. Simpleton means innocent. She was the fourth daughter of Nambardar Ramlal. Ramlal was a Nambardar of the village, so she was the fourth daughter. When she was 10 months old, she had fallen off of the cot on her head and perhaps it had damaged some part of her brain. When she was 10 months old, she was उसको क्या जब वो 10 बरस की 10 महीने की थी तो वो चारपाई से cot here means bed, C-O-T cot means bed, वो चारपाई से गिर गई थी और गिरने से उसके दिमाग का कुछ हिस्सा डैमेज हो गया था. That was she remained a backward child and came to be known as Boli the simpleton. तो इसी वजह से उसको वो एक सीधी सादी बच्ची रह गई और इसको बोली के नाम से जाने लगा. At birth, the child was very fair and pretty. जब उसने जन्म लिया वो बहुत ही खूबसूरत थी. But when she was 2 years old, she had an attack of smallpox. Now she was attacked by a disease when she was 2 years old. जब वो 2 साल की थी तो तब एक बीमारी ने उसको वो एक बीमारी की शिकार हो गई, smallpox, जिसको हम चीचक कहते हैं. Only the eyes were saved, but the entire body was permanently disfigured by the deep black poke marks. खाली उसकी आंखें ही बच गई और बाकी जिस्म के बाकी हिस्से को, तमाम हिस्से को इस चीचक ने घेर लिया. There were poke marks means scars. Poke marks. You will take down these word meanings in your notebooks. Poke marks means scars. यानी पूरे इसका जो जिस्म है वो दागों से भर गया. Little Solika could not speak till she was 5. और 5 साल तक वो बोल भी नहीं पा रही है. जबकि हमने देखा है जब बच्चा 3 साल का होता है तो वो बोलना शुरू करता है. And when at last she learned to speak, she stammered. और जब वो आखिर पे जब वो बोलने लगी, and she was stammered means stammer means हकलाना, pause in speech. He has a speech problem. The other children often made her fun of her and mimicked at her. ये जो बाकी बच्चे थे वो इसकी क्या करते, mimicked at her, they imitated her. वो इसकी क्या करते थे, वो इसका क्या करते थे, they were humiliating her. वो इसका मजाक उड़ाया करते थे because she was stammering. As a result, she talked very little. तो इसका ये नतीजा निकला, जब इसको ये बच्चे मजाक उड़ा रहे थे तो वो बातें कम करती थी. रामलाल had 7 children. रामलाल के पास 7 बच्चे थे. 3 sons and 4 daughters. He had 3 sons and 4 daughters. And the youngest of them was Boli. वो जो बोली थी वो सबसे छोटी थी. It was a prosperous farmer's household and there was plenty to eat and drink. ये एक अमीर किसान का घर था और वहां खाने के लिए सब कुछ था. In plenty means P-L-E-N-T-Y. Plenty means in large quantity. In large quantity. In large quantity. In large quantity. All the children except Boli were healthy and strong. तमाम बच्चे बोली के, माँ सिवाय बोली के, वो बाकी तमाम बच्चे थे वो कहते वो स्ट्रांग थे, वो हेल्दी थे, वो सेहतमंद थे और मजबूत थे. द सन्स हैड बीन सेंट टू द सिटी टू स्टडी इन द स्कूल्स. ये जो इनके बेटे थे, बेटों को शहर भेज दिया गया पढ़ने के लिए. एंड लेटर इन कॉलेजेस, बाद में इनको कॉलेज भी भेजा गया. Of the daughters, Radha, the eldest, had already been married. जबकि जो इसकी लड़कियां थी, इनमें से जो सबसे बड़ी राधा थी, उसकी शादी पहले ही हो चुकी थी. The second daughter, Mangala's marriage has been settled. जो दूसरी बेटी थी, उसकी जो शादी थी वो भी तय हुई थी. And when that was done, रामलाल would think of the third. जब उसकी शादी भी होगी तो रामलाल अब तीसरे बेटी की शादी के लिए सोचेगा. That was चंपा. They were good looking healthy girls and it was not difficult to find bridegrooms for them. और ये लड़कियां जो थी ये सेहतमंद थी, ये खूबसूरत थी और इनके लिए रिश्ता ढूंढना मुश्किल नहीं था. I think we close it today. इंशाल्लाह कल हम ये आगे पढ़ेंगे because we cannot upload the big videos. Thank you.